This is a review for the Wolfone textured, I'm calling it textured, I don't know if they do, but I love this texture, long lead. They are waterproof or water resistant. I'm assuming underneath, I don't want to see underneath, that they are a nylon webbing coated with a rubbery, I don't know what it is, rubber or silicone. They are made by a Wolfone. Oh, that's a wolf there. I thought it was a string. Wolfone. This is the clasp. This is the stitching, reinforced on either side, and it comes rolled up. We haven't used it that much yet, so it still has a indentation, which I don't care. Here's the stitching at the top of the handle. They come in different lengths, different colors, and definitely recommend. They're certainly not going to be chew proof but my dog's not a big chewer at this point, and they're great for training. Great for outdoors, great for the beach, great for the backyard, great to keep your dog safe when you're training on recall. Highly recommended.
Yes, good boy. Sit. Good job.